In a landmark initiative to provide affordable housing to the underprivileged, the Karnataka government today distributed 42,345 houses constructed under the PM Awas Yojana (PMAY) and the Chief Minister's Special Grant Scheme. The grand state-level event took place on Mantur Road in Hubballi, drawing massive crowds and prominent political figures. The program was inaugurated by AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who served as the chief guest. Several state government ministers, MLAs, and other key leaders from across Karnataka attended the ceremony, which highlighted the government's commitment to slum redevelopment and housing for all. The houses were built by the Karnataka Slum Development Board and the Housing Department. Key district-wise allocations include 2,169 houses in Dharwad district and 5,731 in Bengaluru, with the remaining distributed across various parts of the state. In total, 42,345 beneficiary families received their homes through this phase. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah virtually inaugurated the houses simultaneously in multiple districts, ensuring widespread reach. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar symbolically distributed house ownership documents to selected beneficiaries on stage, marking a moment of empowerment for the poor and slum dwellers. Organizers estimated that more than 1 lakh people from across Karnataka participated in the event, reflecting strong public enthusiasm for the housing initiative. This distribution follows earlier phases, with previous allotments already completed and future rounds planned. This scheme aims to reduce financial burden on beneficiaries, with contributions lowered in recent updates, while ensuring quality construction and basic amenities. Today's event underscores the Congress-led government's focus on welfare and inclusive development in Karnataka.